Yeah, hey nigga, I'm coming ruthless on this one, cuz. Yeah, for real. Freestyle for you guys. Hey, the boy's so sick with it, kill shit and he smash it. Nigga wanna attack my hood, nigga, I bash it. I can go on any track to smash it, I just make it. Any track you give the boys during, I'ma bake it. Put it in the oven, put it on roll, I make a real dish. You could say that boy's something like the top chef. I could do the game up, I could be the top rep, the St. Louis Flames, so I spit the lyrical real sweat. That nigga with that liquid saliva to kill you. My hip-hop Bible will revive you. Revive you. Nigga take the game, I change it up, nigga, I kill you. Salute to you, haters. Why? This the reason I do it, bro. I can take the game up, I can take the game by storm. Niggas climbing up the ladder, nigga, I am flowing for them. I can do the game, nigga. Nigga, please step down, cause I am in my ship, nigga, blasting to the top now. I can take it over. I'm aiming for the moon, and if I can't make it, I grab for the star tune. Nigga want the star food, nigga, I'm a rock star. The spikes on my wrist, plus the rocks, nigga, flames on. Nigga wanna talk back, nigga wanna say something, nigga wanna heat that G gun out, we got something. Nigga, we does this, crown juice, we was this. The crown juice goblin, nigga, yeah, he about this. You niggas goons, huh? You niggas real shit, but understand to me, nigga, you under cliffs. I do the game, I get that nasty Cal Z, but when I jump off cliff, man, I be aiming for your knees, like pop, pop. Now put you niggas down to your real level. Or fuck you mention, nigga, I'm the giant in this level. You understand me? Nigga, I'm a legend. A nigga in his prime doing better with Tebble. Nigga, this is trouble. Nigga got trouble. The motherfucking Joker's a Batman's trouble. Got this every brother. Nigga like the brother. Hit the boy up like the gangster, nigga, we soldiers. Do the game holder. Nigga, yeah, I'm your holder. I don't need a title to say I'm champion, the soldier. Boy, you get it up. Wait a minute, I'm not a soldier. A nigga, I am Delta, the good the world's holder. Boy, I can get it and make it change and I break you off. Nigga, I'm just spit to this shit, nigga, this crazy talk. Got the claps up in my head. This is what a nigga do. Fresh clap, twist it up. Nigga, get the line or two. Nigga, understand me. Nigga, I just spit this. Nigga, come from the dome. Some nigga, I ain't writing shit. I got the verse up in my head, so I ain't gotta write it. That's why I spit it on YouTube, nigga. I'm not biting. I take the game by storm, nigga. We take it up. You gotta have money to spend money. You gotta spend money to get money. Spend money, get money. Gotta have money in your pocket looking real funny. I can work in the jeans because the credit cards fit, but I rock the baggy boys because I'm different. Nigga, you can change it. Nigga, I arrange it. A white fitted tee looking fresh, looking dangerous. I get them up, I put them up. We can put it in. Hands on deck, but I use the text with the semi-ends. You say the boy, I get it up, I put the beam on your chest. I'm from Church Hoops outside, nigga, the block shit. You come hard shit. Nigga, you some real nigga. Now you know where I'm from, the Southside Trill, nigga, of St. Louis. Nigga, he's the hood star. Fucking with that nigga with the dread, he salute you, boy. Yeah, you know what it is, man. Deuce.